Hi students, I am so excited that we are going to talk about adverb clauses. The purpose of adverb clauses is to describe a sentence. An adverb is used to describe a verb or a sentence. In this case, we're describing sentences. So let's read through them. The number one mistake students are making is not using because correctly. So we need to really fix that. Okay, here we go. Where am I here? Here we go. Okay, number one, I want to go to Hawaii because I like the sun. Number two, because I like the sun, I want to go to Hawaii. Number three, we need to exercise when we feel stress. Number four, when we feel stress, we need to exercise. Number five, if I have time, I will call you. Number six, even though it's raining, he isn't using an umbrella. So I put that little mark there to tell you, you never use but with even though. Now, here's the situation. Let's look at these two sentences. You see, when you use because, you have a sentence here, then you say because, and you have another sentence. Or you say because, then you have a sentence and a comma and another sentence. You never put a sentence right here. A comma right here. Let me say it one more time. Sentence, because, sentence. Because, sentence, comma, sentence. So, you cannot say, when you're writing English, you never say, because I like the sun, period. No, that's called an incomplete sentence. It's not correct. Okay? Now let's go down and see what I have written here for you. Okay, for example, I study English because I want to go to a university. That's good. Because I want to go to a university, that's not good. You need two sentences. Because I want to go to a university, comma, I am studying English. That's good. Now, there's 6 of these I want you to know very well for this level. Let's look. Number 1, these are time clauses. Time clauses. Time clauses are adverb clauses. I will be happy when I see you. When I see you, I will be happy. You will study after you eat dinner. After you eat dinner, you will study. Now, I have those 2 dots there. What that means is, in other words, we don't say, I will be happy when I will see you. No. After the adverb of when, before, or after, this is never in future. It's never in any tense except present tense and past tense. I will be happy when I see you. I was happy when I saw you. So let's do that. This tense is future. I will be happy when I see you. Past tense. I was happy when I saw you. This one. You will study after you eat dinner. See, it stays present tense. Past tense. You studied after you ate dinner. Okay. If has the same kind of rule. Okay. I will call you if I have time. This is future. This is present. If I have time, present, I will call you. So the main clause is going to take the verb tense. And the verb tense here can be past, present, or future. If it rains, you will need to drive carefully. I have a comma there, comma there. You will need to drive carefully if it rains, no comma. So the main clause has a verb tense. This verb tense is future, but this is present. The main clause is future, this is present. The main clause is future, this is present. Now let's do it in the past tense. The past tense starts to get kind of crazy and you study it in level 6 or 7, but I will tell you anyway. I would have called you if I had had time. If it had rained, you would have needed to drive carefully. Don't worry about the past tense with if right now. Let's move on to because. Because you want to improve your English, you are taking this course. So because what we have to do is we have to have sentence and a sentence. You are taking this course because you want to improve your English. Because I didn't have a car, I had to walk to school. I had to walk to school because I didn't have a car. So with because, if this is present, this is present. Present, present. Past, past. Okay? Because I am going to a party tonight, I will wear a dress. Because I will eat dinner soon, I won't eat candy before dinner, something like that. So with because, the key point is you have to remember sentence plus sentence, or because plus sentence and sentence. Okay. So these two rules I told you about are different from because. And when we meet on Jitsi on Monday or Tuesday, I will explain this in more detail and answer your questions. Number 4. Now this one starts to get tricky. Because of is the same as because. Due to is the same as because. Owing to is the same as because. But because I have these prepositions of, to, and to, those are prepositions. Every time in English that you have a preposition, the next word, the next word, preposition, the next word must be a noun or a gerund. A gerund is an ing verb, okay? So let's read the examples. Due to wanting to improve your English, you are taking this course. You are taking this course due to wanting to improve your English. Because of not having a car. So if I have an ing verb, which I must have an ing verb if I want to use a verb, because of the of, and if I want to have a negative, I just put not right there. Because of not having a car, I had to walk to school. I had to walk to school because of not having a car. Due to the cold weather, this is my noun, the cold weather. Due to the cold weather, I need to wear a jacket. Due to the cold weather, I need to wear a jacket. Oh, I have it twice. I guess I wanted to say I need to wear a jacket due to the cold weather. And owing to is the same thing. I went out to eat last night owing to feeling tired. Owing to feeling tired, I went out last night. So owing to is the same as due to or because of. So let's check it out. We will make it change, okay? Number 1, I went out to eat last night owing to feeling tired. Number 2, I went out to eat last night because of feeling tired. Number 3, I went out to eat last night due to feeling tired. Okay, next one. Even though. And I'm warning you now, when you use even though or although, which mean the same thing, never use but. No but with even though or although. It means like even though or although, but we don't use but. Even though it is cold outside, I don't need to wear a jacket. I don't need to wear a jacket even though it's cold outside. Although I ate a big lunch, I'm still hungry. I'm still hungry, although I ate a big breakfast. That still works, okay? So I could also say I'm still hungry even though I ate a big breakfast. Even though I ate a big lunch, I'm still hungry. I don't need to wear a jacket although it's cold outside. Although it's cold outside, I don't need to wear a jacket. And do you see the word but in here? Neither do I. And finally is despite. So remember the grammar we did with because of, due to, and owing to, where we have to put an ing verb or a noun. Here we have despite, same grammar. Despite not having a computer, I can take this course because I can use my phone. I can take this course despite not having a computer because I can use my phone. Despite the heavy rain, I don't need an umbrella. I don't need an umbrella despite the heavy rain. It's 11:59 on Sunday, and I told you that our course will be ready at 12. So I am going to send you an email now, and then I will let you know the status of our course this week. Bye.